We guide you through how to compress a PDF file size without losing quality so it's easier to upload, share, or email. First thing you need to do is open a trusted PDF compression tool, either online or on your device, and upload the PDF you want to reduce. Next, choose a compression options labeled high quality or recommended, which keeps text sharp and images clear while reducing file size. Start the compression process and wait a few seconds for it to finish. Once complete, download the compressed PDF and compare it to the original. You'll notice a smaller file size with no visible loss in quality. This method works for documents, forms, and image heavy PDFs and is the fastest way to reduce PDF size safely.